Are you tired of feeling like you're drowning in a sea of plastic? From cling wrap to plastic bags and even paper straws, single-use plastics are taking over our lives and our planet. But what if I told you there is a simple solution that could help you kick your plastic habit without breaking the bank? That's right. By making your own reusable products, you can save money and reduce waste one step at a time. For example, we use 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters squares for wrapping sandwiches. Next, place the cutout fabric squares on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The good news is that making your own reusable shopping bag is easier than you think. All you need is an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. Now sprinkle a thin layer of grated beeswax over the fabric. Next, cut 1-inch wide fringes along the bottom edge of the shirt. You've got yourself a new shopping bag. Not only is this bag eco-friendly, but it's also sturdy and can hold plenty of your groceries. Plus, it's machine washable, so you can toss it in with the rest of your laundry. No sewing required. So ditch the plastic bags and do your part to protect the environment while looking stylish at the same time. If you're unsure where to start, we recommend bamboo straws as they're easy to find and affordable. Simply wash them thoroughly before use and avoid using them with hot liquids. Be sure to cut all the way up to the corners of the shirt. You can take your DIY game to the next level by making a DIY utensil kit to carry with you on the go. This kit can include a reusable straw wrapped in a cloth roll pouch, a napkin, and a travel fork and spoon. Not only is this a great way to reduce plastic waste, but it's also convenient and practical. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-living ideas. Thanks for watching. Plus, you can use them with your favorite natural cleaners like vinegar or essential oils. And the best part, you can customize the size and shape of your cleaning cloths to fit your needs. So why spend money on disposable wipes when you can make your own cleaning cloths? Give it a try. Not only are they better for the environment, but they're also safer and more hygienic. Fold it lengthwise and sew along the edge. Create a loop at one end and voila, you have a handy pouch to keep your straw clean and dry. To complete the kit, add a napkin and a set of travel cutlery. By doing so, not only can you save money, but you'll also reduce waste and help the environment. Remember, every small step counts, and together we can make a big difference. This kit is perfect for when you're dining out and want to avoid using disposable plastics. Plus, it makes a great housewarming or birthday gift for friends and family who love to dine out. Using old curtains or mosquito netting, all you need are some basic supplies like fabric, scissors, string or elastic, and a needle and thread. Luckily, you can make your own cleaning cloths using old towels, washcloths, or t-shirts. Simply cut the fabric into squares and hem the edges to prevent fraying. These cloths are perfect for dusting, wiping down surfaces, or even cleaning windows. Then tie 2 adjacent fringes together in a secure knot. Repeat this process with all the remaining fringes. Try using them to store toys, books, or other household items. Not only are these bags reusable and environmentally friendly, but they also make a great gift for friends and family. Fold the sides of the fabric inwards and sew, or simply fold them over to create a clean edge. Attach a drawstring or elastic to the top of the bag for a secure close. These bags are lightweight, washable, and perfect for fruits and veggies. Continue on to the next row, tying each fringe to the ones below it. Keep going until you've created a tight and durable base for your bag. The amount of wax you need depends on the size of your fabric square, but we usually use about 2 tablespoons per square. You should also add about half a tablespoon of coconut oil to help the wax melt evenly. If you wish, you can also add a few drops of essential oils such as lemon or orange peel for a fresh scent. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to make. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags, make your own beeswax wraps, and so much more. So grab your glue guns and let's get crafting. If you want to learn how to make your own reusable food wraps, you've come to the right place. This is a fantastic alternative to plastic wrap. Bake the wraps at 150 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the wax has completely melted. Remove the wraps from the oven and let them cool down completely before peeling them off the parchment paper. And that's it. Now you have your own beeswax wraps that you can use to wrap up leftovers or take a sandwich to work. Just remember to wash them by hand and hang them up to dry when you're done. Oh, and don't throw away that coconut oil and beeswax mixture. It might be lumpy, but it can still be used to treat your next batch of wraps, which not only contaminates our environment, but also isn't the healthiest option for us humans either. Beeswax wraps are made from cotton fabric, beeswax, coconut oil, and maybe some essential oils for that extra something. They're not only beautiful, but also practical and easy to clean. Plus, they're a great way to reuse old fabrics that would otherwise end up in landfill. To make these wraps, cut out squares of cotton fabric that are big enough to wrap around whatever you plan to wrap. Once the wax and oil have been evenly distributed over the fabric, it's time to bake. Plastic bags have become a staple in our society, but they're terrible for the environment and extremely harmful to animals. First, lay the t-shirt flat and cut off the sleeves and the neckline. And that's it. Plastic produce bags are another culprit when it comes to excessive waste. But luckily, you can easily make your own reusable produce bags. Start by cutting the fabric into desired bag sizes. But wait, there's more. You can also use these bags for other purposes. Straws are a common sight at restaurants and cafes. But did you know that you can easily ditch the plastic ones by making your own reusable straws? There are many materials you can choose from to make your own straws, including bamboo, stainless steel, or glass. But wait, there's more. All you need to make the cloth roll pouch is some scrap fabric and a sewing machine. Cut the fabric into a long strip. Cleaning cloths are essential for any household, but buying new ones can be expensive and wasteful. Not only are these cloths reusable and environmentally friendly, but they're also soft and gentle on surfaces. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to make your own reusable products. So which project will you try first?